Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off power button to lock instantly your screen. Okay. First of all, lock with power button. This is power button. Just if you one press, phone screen will be off and instantly lock will be applied. Okay. Suppose if you would like to turn off this power button to lock your screen, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings, then go to security. Go to security and click on screen lock. Just click on this settings icon of screen lock and here turn off this button. Power button instantly locks, except when kept unlocked by smart lock. It will be disabled. Okay, that is power button will not lock your phone hereafter. I'll just press power button, but it's not locked. Okay, if you again press, it will stay unlocked. Okay, see here. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off power button to lock instantly your screen. Okay, suppose if you would like to enable it later, just keep this button turned on so that it will be instantly locked. See here. So in this way you can easily enable or disable power button instantly locks your phone screen, your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.